materials required for making a bird bookmark are a small square paper. Fold this square paper from this corner towards this corner like this, and from this corner towards this corner like this, and fold it above. Now tilt this paper like this and fold this corner towards this center point like this, and fold this paper again up like this. Now fold this right side flap towards this top point like this, and fold this left side flap towards the top point like this. Now tilt this paper like this. Now you will see a hole here. Fold these two flaps into this hole like this. See, it will become a bookmark. Now tilt this paper and fold this paper above from this point towards this point. Now tilt this paper like this. You will notice a hole. Now extend that hole like this. Now tilt this paper like this. Now fold this point towards this point like this. Now tilt this paper and repeat the same. Now tilt this paper like this and like this. Now again extend this hole like this. Now remove the two flaps like this. While removing, keep this flap like this and tilt this flap like this, and remove these side flaps. Now extend this upper flap like this, and fold this paper like this and like this, and the flaps like this. See, your bird bookmark is ready. You can keep this bookmark like this in a book. There will be a hole here. Insert this hole into this book like this, and your bookmark is ready.